Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. I would like to wish you all a very happy Ramzan Mubarak. Stay blessed. So today I'm going to review Zaha Lawn 2021 City by the Sea. It's a collection of very nice, vibrant colors and they give you a good summer feel. I'll also be linking down all the places where you can get hands on them. Some of the designs are still available on the website, the rest you can check in the description box below. So the design that I'm going to review is this one called Zeba. Let's have a closer look at it.
Nice pink color shirt with a tie-and-dye dupatta and a plain cambric trouser. I'm really liking all the color palette that they've got this time. It has nice pastel colors, fresh colors, and I really have 2 to 3 favorites, but I got my hands on one on this particular article because I loved this the most. I got hold of this article in March, but I never really got the opportunity to get it stitched. But now that Ramzan is here, so I thought that I would get it stitched. But before doing that, I thought that I should show it to you guys. So I've opened the packet. I've actually got it shrinked, but I've put it back just to give the packaging to you guys. So this time they've used a biodegradable material. It's a plastic, but they say that it's biodegradable and it's also eco-friendly, which is very nice, something that I would really appreciate them for. The zip though was not of really good quality, so the first time I used it actually came off. That's why I had to tear it off so that I could actually pull the entire thing outside. So let's just pull the paper out and see what they have to say. So they say that there is one piece of front panel, embroidered panel, then there's a right embroidered panel, then you have a left embroidered panel, then they're also giving you embroidered sleeves, there's an embroidered hem border, then the back is dyed, then you're also getting a digital printed dupatta and the trouser is dyed. Alright, now let's just jump in the packet. The stuff from the packet, let's see what we have. So this is the embroidered sleeves. Let me check if I'm right. Yes, so these are the sleeves. Yeah, so we've got about this much material to make your sleeves. I would have to say that the embroidery is very fine and the material is also soft. I mean, look, it's not see-through from one back. Okay, so this is the front panel, as you guys can see, and it's quite long, so I think that you could easily, if you want to go for a longer length, I think it would be quite possible with this one. So the front side of the shirt has a nice round neck, so you could make it round, or if you want you could also add lace to it, however you like it. So next we have the side panels. Let's see how they look. Okay. Alright, so this, I really like this embroidery. This is so decent. Just look at it. This again is a very long length material, so I feel that you don't have to worry about the length for this one for sure. You can stitch it longer, stitch it shorter, however you like. So they're 2 pieces, the same design, this one and then this one. So these go on right and left side each, just along with the central panel. So you have the back, it's quite plain, as you can see. It's of the same color, but it's just that it's quite plain. Again, I would say that the material is very soft and I'm just loving the fact that it's not see-through, because one of the things that I don't like about lawn is that it's very see-through, and in the summers it just get really difficult. So the trouser, The trouser material is the softest of all. I know I'm repeating this fact again and again, but I really like soft material, especially the summer material, because of the heat. You know, sometimes things get sweaty and sticky, so you'd always prefer something that's soft and doesn't stick to your skin, you know. So the trouser is really nice. It's an off-white color trouser, and again it's plain, it's dyed, so you could stitch it however you want. You can make a trouser, you can go for shalwar. The model right here is wearing a trouser, so you can maybe stitch it like this however you want. It's totally up to you. All right, now the next thing is, now this is the last piece, guys. So this is the dupatta. This is the tie and dye dupatta. Let me open for you guys. So this is how it looks, right? It does not have any border of such, but you could, you know, get the ends picot, or you can add lace at the ends however you like it. So this is the look of it. The material, they say, is that it's Swiss voile. Yeah, this is not lawn, but this is Swiss voile. You could it's slightly transparent, but then that's fine with dupattas. You know, you would really prefer something that's light, but again, I think that it is something that would you know, if you want to cover your head, it will stick to your head. I don't think it will fall again and again. So they've also given us a border. They say that this, yeah, it looks like this. What is it called? Let's check. Okay, so they're calling it embroidered hem border, and I see that they've placed it at the end of the shirt, right? So it's up to you, wherever you like, you can, you know, place it. It's quite of this, it's the same embroidery, yeah, and it's the same material, so it's totally up to you wherever you want to place it. It's about this much in length.
Alright guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. It really helped me to make similar videos like this. Also, if you want to add any other suggestion, please feel free to write in the comment section below. I shall be meeting you very soon again. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.